So let's start 7B, web server log analysis for attack patterns. In this case, let's download a log file and then use some Linux commands, some bash commands to search through the number of requests to find patterns in the requests that are going to identify SQL injection directly to reversal and brute force attack. So how do we go about it? On Linux, you can just open your terminal and then run the command after downloading the log file. After downloading this log file. But on Windows, by default, you cannot run bash commands. So in order to run bash commands, we have to do this. We have to download git bash. So if you are on Windows, what you should do is search for git download for Windows. So this the server is refusing. Yeah, my Firefox is configured to use this thing. It's configured to use Chrome. It's configured to well, I can just turn off the proxy instead. Anyways, settings. Since the proxy is turned on Bob Swedish, it's not yet to route the traffic. The request will fail. So I have to turn off the proxy in order to be able to browse the internet. Where is it? No proxy. Okay. That's weird. I'm not sure, but capture cars. Oh, sorry. Verify. So search for git and git install for Windows. Then you go to download x64 setup. Then after downloading it, you open git bash. It doesn't appear in your desktop when you just search for git bash. Then you open it. Okay. So now in the log file, you have to download the log file on your system. Let me see, is it downloaded in this device? Let me see, downloads. No, it isn't. So how to download it? How do you use this? Change the site. Proxy. Oh, the browser is in proxy. I saw the browser is in proxy. No, Apache. Okay. It is 7B web server log. So these are the commands to execute, but this is the file I want to download. So Apache logs. Apache logs 9 years ago. Download over file. So the file has been downloaded. It's 1.3 MB. So what's going to happen is we're going to navigate to the downloads directory. Okay, ls we should see the Apache logs too. Now I'm going to put this in one corner of the screen and put the tab, my browser tab on this corner. So in order to filter through, this is what 7B or 7A. 7B. Okay. Based on the instructions here, the instruction is to open a terminal, count the request by IP address using the following command or print access log. So basically just perform the same tasks after perform the tasks here, follow the steps here after downloading it, after installing it and downloading the log file. So in my case, if you try to use the same command, is it going to work? No, it will fail. The reason for that is one, my when the file was saved as Apache logs with the .txt extension, but this what we just downloaded now doesn't have a .txt extension unless we choose to move it, we name it so something that with a .txt extension. So mv command not found, that's weird. Then what just happened now? mv, okay, I believe the space in front of the mv command was the reason why the command failed. So with this we can just use the same commands I used to replicate the same results. So we see right click on the screen, insert awk command not found. Yeah, there's a space in front of it. That's weird. Why is this happening? Alright, so these are the IP address with the highest number of requests, 667,482 requests, so on and so forth. So we can just continue doing the same thing until we're done. So that is just how to get the number 7B done on Windows. So if you're on Linux, you don't have to worry about anything. Alright, so I'm going to end everything here. I believe the other steps should be doable without me making any video. Thank you for watching, and that's all.